In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Morningstar Bullish indicator, quick and easy. This is perfect if you're using TradingView and you want a clean, visual way to spot potential bullish reversals on your charts. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView account and you have any chart open. It can be a stock, forex pair, crypto, or any other asset. Once your chart is up on the screen, look toward the top of the interface for the indicators button. It's usually located near the time frames and layout options. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open the Indicators and Strategies window, which is where you can search for and apply any built-in tools that TradingView offers. When the search box appears, click inside it and start typing the word STAR. TradingView will automatically filter the list of indicators as you type, showing you anything that matches your search. Typing just STAR keeps it simple and brings up different star-related candlestick patterns, including the one we want. In the results list, look for the indicator named Morningstar Bullish. You should see it appear under the candlestick patterns or built-in section, depending on how TradingView is organizing your results. Once you see Morningstar Bullish in the list, simply click on it one time. As soon as you click it, the indicator will be added directly to your chart. Now, if you look back at your chart, you should see the Morningstar Bullish pattern automatically highlighted whenever it appears in the price action. This makes it much easier to spot potential bullish reversal zones without having to manually scan every candle yourself. You can hover over any of those highlighted areas to get more information or zoom in to study how price behaved around that pattern. If you want more flexibility, such as extra alerts, additional chart layouts, or faster data, consider upgrading your TradingView plan. I have an affiliate link in the description that you can use if you decide to try TradingView Pro. It's a great way to unlock more powerful features while also supporting the channel at no extra cost to you. And that's all you need to do. Open your chart, click on Indicators, type STAR, then select Morningstar Bullish, and you're ready to start using this pattern in your trading analysis.